Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ernailita. I'm from International Business Administration 6B. In this video, I would like to presentation about project management. Definition: project management. Project management is a critical practice that applies knowledge of process, skill, tools, deliverable, and technique to project activity to ensure a solid path to project success by meeting goals and requirements. Project management involves the planning and organization of a company resource to move and specific tasks, event or duties for completion. It can involve a one-time project or an ongoing activity, and resource management include personnel, finance, technology, and intellectual property. Type of project management. Many types of project management have been developed to meet the specific needs of certain industry or types of project. They include the following: 1. Waterfall project management. 2. Agile project management. 3. Plain project management. Project management process. There is no single way to run all projects. You will find the most organizations spend a lot of time making mistakes and adjusting their approach in order to get it just right, only to find that when to throw in was just right, it needed to be tweaked again. As you research project management, you will find the most models identify three basic phases with every name stake and deliverable to organize activity. 1. Research, discovery, and planning. Typical an organization will perform some level of research to determine the validity of a project. Edge cutting. Once the project is planned, it is time to execute. 3. Testing, making sure iterating. After a project has launched, it is time to make sure it is tracking well against its goals. Okay, I add a video about project management. Okay, I add a video about project management.
In your world as a project management manager on site, your site team are now an installation team, not a building team. And their job becomes to manage the interfaces between the pieces of kit that come in from the factories. And you as the project manager need to be planning not in weeks and months like we do traditionally in the water sector, but you need to be taking a lesson from the manufacturing industry and thinking how factories do it when you're planning in seconds, minutes and hours. The big thing about off-site is a left shift in the design and build process. So if you're going to fabricate a large part of what you used to do on-site in bits and pieces, and you're going to do that in a factory away from site, getting it right first time is really, really important. So we call it the left shift. And how that's different to what's been done traditionally is traditionally it would be designed, and then the construction team would come in and then they would build it, and then the commissioning team would come in and commission it, and then the operations get it. The left shift means taking all of those key people from across the life cycle of the asset to the front and designing that in a virtual world using BIM as a platform for that, so that you basically build the project from the bottom up, every aspect of it virtually. You can check all of your interface clashes, you can start planning all your logistics, and you can kind of work out all of the problems that might crop up. Obviously, you're going to have people that are working away from site, so you need to allow that. You need to build that in to your people's time. But what it really means on site is you're shortening the program all of the time. So if you're going to do that, it's not just about what you build in the factory, it's about all the other logistics and programming. So your civils need to be complete concrete secured just in time for that wagon to come in with all of your steel work and your access stairway to be dropped into place. So you can use collaborative planning techniques. Again, we need to get all of the key people in the project lifecycle in, understand what else is going on site, who needs to be involved, is there additional craneage required, and that'll be a live process going on all of the time.